Greetings, salutations, you guys. It's Hadrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I'm outside with the family. Zachary had a play today.
Not a play, a talent show.
Talent show. But didn't you do a play for your talent show?
No, he's saying.
Oh, okay. Give us an example of what you performed today.
I'm just holding something.
Okay.
Oh.
Got you, boo boo.
Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go.
We are no strangers to love. That's all I'm gonna do.
Oop.
Okay.
Oh, Liza's over here having a photo shoot with Grandma.
With his tree. Okay.
With his favorite tree.
This is his favorite tree.
I guess I'll go with
Do you
him.
want me to hold your chocolate milk?
Oh, look at this little photo. Eliza's winking with the one little eyeball.
Woo! Minimum day.
So where are we gonna go, Eliza?
In and out.
In and out?
Poke your head this way.
You
because I
excited?
can't see you. Like this. Go. Ah, in and out.
In and out.
Word for word. Hendrix, do it again.
In and out.
Good, how are you?
Pretty crafty. Get through it.
Can I get,
Alright, you guys ready to eat? Eliza, are you so excited?
I want to put this on.
Are you already eating? Oh, yummy. We're eating inside the car. Alright, so we just finished eating and now we actually made our way to a little strawberry stand where they sell like other like little things of produce too. It's super duper cute. Mom's over there. She is she's picking out some fruit. Eliza just got out of the car. I'm just gonna wait inside here. Go to Grandma, Eliza. Ooh. And then there's John and Zach too. Oh, look at that. Little angels. Already filming. You just show everyone a tour. Oh, turn it around. Turn it around so they can see.
Hello. I'm gonna be giving you a tour where we went.
Quick, go do a tour really quick before we go inside. Go.
Here's a real quick tour and then
Go show the strawberry field. Bring it. Show it on the video. Don't step on it.
eggs.
No, you have to say it's very what?
It's very exciting.
Why are you exciting, Eliza?
That was terrible.
Because this is an egg farm.
Where are we?
Where are we,
I
baby?
said this tree is bad. Egg farm.
We're at Billy's Egg Farm. We're at the drive-thru. No, not Billie Eilish's Egg Farm, John. Don't confuse people. But we're here to buy some fresh eggs. We just got.
Look at my strawberry.
Wow, those look so
So
good.
fresh.
And then avocado.
Oh, and the avocados.
Avocados.
Yum. Guys, we just got home, but I want to show you guys our eggs that we got from Billy's Egg Farm. Woo! They look delicious.
So
Yum.
fresh.
Just got inside the car. It's a little bit later. I actually just packaged some stuff. You can see in the boxes right there. We're gonna head over to the post office, and then after that, we're gonna go to the Veterans Thrift, which I'm super duper excited about. I haven't been there in like 2 days, which is crazy. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we get over there. And we just got to the Veterans Thrift. Let's go inside and check it out. Alright, you guys are looking at the handbags. There's this Fossil, but it's like 40 bucks. There's a Carlos bag right there. Wild Fable. Trina Turk. Beside You. Philip. Oh, there's this Mark by Mark, but that's 40. like a vintage coach too, I think. It's 19, not vintage, but 1999, made in China. Not my favorite style. Here's another coach for 20. Saw this coach before too. Also 20. Interesting looking clutch. No label. Okay, not really seeing any bags in this section either. I think I came too late. Probably should have come earlier, but was busy. What is this? Sandra Roberts. It kind of reminds me of like an MZ Wallace. It's kind of cool. $10. Found a John Varvatos dust bag for Converse. Not too bad for 99 cents. What is this? Other knits. I wonder what kind of crystal thing this is, but it's 75 bucks. Those sunglasses also look interesting. Okay. Looks a little Dior-ish. What's in here? Those are Ray-Ban, but they're like an old kind of style. Do we have any interesting backpacks over here? Look at this studded number. Kind of reminds me of like a Valentina. They have this Marc Jacobs. It's like a cute newer style, but it's like broken right there, which is unfortunate. So it's 100 and 150 for this Dooney Burke. Dooney Burke is really pretty, but this is pricey. But it's made in USA. You guys, I've been waiting weeks for this shirt to go 75% off, and now it is. Versace shirt is gonna be less than $20, so really excited. Okay, we're gonna go through the handbags. Handbags. Obviously, I have handbags on the mind. Sad that we didn't find any shoes. Oh, are these Tories? Oh, these are 30 bucks though. They're in pretty decent condition, but 30 bucks, and they're like a small size, I think. These guys look kind of tiny. Oh yeah, 6.5. They're small. So, oh, Prada. Some like Prada, what are these called? Sneakers? Oh, they're 75 bucks though. Oh man, these are kind of cute though, but these are like definitely an older style, but I feel like these kind of shoes are coming back in, becoming more popular again. Those are Lucky brand. Found some more Tories right here. These are 30. Still a little pricier. What are these? Eva Luna? Made in Italy. Wow, these platforms are amazing. Alright you guys, I'm going to die because I just found these Alexander McQueen flats. They're so cute. They're in like this, oh sorry, they're this red snake skin with a jeweled skull. Oh, they're so cute. Ooh, look at these rag and bone chunky sandals. Wow, but they're 35. So this Rebecca Minkoff bag has been here for a while, but it's finally half off. It's gonna be 50 bucks. I think I might get it. I'm just gonna hold on to it for now. So I made a second pass. Well, I'm doing a second pass right now through the handbags. And I totally missed this one the first time I was here. And this is a large Coach tote. Not bad, it's only 15 bucks. And it's pretty cute, so I think I want to get it. This oh no, this one's like, I think I saw this last time, it's like really worn in. But yeah, pretty cute, right? What is this? Oh, this one's a diesel tote bag, but it's $30. What does it say? I just want to get a good look at what it says on the front. Successful denim division. Oh, look at that. Okay guys, check out what I found. I found these Fiorucci for Adidas shorts, but they're $25. So I think I'm gonna wait for them to go on sale. And I also found this amazing sequin zebra sweatshirt. It is crazy. Like it doesn't have any brand or anything. I can't find a tag anywhere. It looks like it might have been taken out. Looks like it used to be like right there. But this thing is just like amazing. Like it's knitted and it's beaded and it's stunning. Alright you guys, got our stuff. Let's go home. I just got home and mom got a package from her friend full of cherries. Is this from her tree?
No, they have tree close to their house.
Oh, yummy. So I am outside now and I am just watering the plants up just a little bit extra. And I'm gonna go fill the fountain over there. And also the kids wanted to play outside, so they're currently screaming somewhere back there. But I'll make my way over there momentarily once I finish up here in the front. But look at, there's gonna be so many roses. Those opened up super quick for some reason, the ones over there. But all of these are gonna hopefully open very, very soon. Some of them are popping up. It's like that one and those two right there. Okay, so I am now in the backyard. And these are, I think these were like cilantro or parsley that we planted, but they're like flowering. No matter what we did, like we couldn't keep the leaves like young and little or whatever. I don't know. So if anyone knows, let me know. But I think those are our carrots that we planted. I'm pretty sure back there. The carrots, they're looking awesome. And we always have a ton of green onion because we use this so much. And then whenever we run out of this and we have to buy more green onion, we just put the bulbs in water and then replant them. So we have this bunch right here. There's like a bunch of them like everywhere. Then over here, those are pineapple. I don't know if that one's dying, but there's like a new shoot growing up. So I'm hoping it's okay. These two are eggplant, more green onion. Don't know what that is. Then over here, I flattened some plants right there when I was watering, and I don't know what these are, but these are all just more veggies. And then tomatoes. Over there, I don't know what veggies those are either. And then over here, we're actually gonna take, I think, all of this out. We were waiting for these to like die or go away because they were so pretty, but I think now they're kind of like on their last leg. All the leaves have started yellowing, so I think they're like done blooming or whatever, or we just need to cut them down. But they were just so pretty that we didn't want to cut them. But now I think it's time to get rid of them, so probably next week they're gonna go. I don't know what to do with this either. Like this one always grows back and comes back, and like now it's huge, but I think I think we need to cut that down too. I think everything in here is gonna go away.
He's being annoying.
You guys, mom called me because it's time to eat. She made a bunch of different egg rolls. She made veggie and then regular lumpia. Yum, we're just gonna eat this with rice. So we are back in the kitchen. Mom and I were actually in the garden earlier, but I didn't have the camera because we were doing stuff. But we're back in the kitchen and mom is making her famous shophow. Oh my goodness, it looks
Chicken ball.
so good. So she like makes the dough from scratch. She makes the filling from scratch. Look at that dough. It looks so, ooh. So we have some already here in the steamer. The steamer has a little wrap around it.
This dough is so
Ooh,
good.
cannot wait to try one. So excited. Alright, you guys, we are all done. Look how delicious the shophow looks. I wish you guys could have one because these are phenomenal. Mama and I are gonna eat one right now, and then I'm gonna go walk the dogs for the last time today, and then get to work on some YouTube videos. Alright you guys, so before we end the video, I wanted to give you a quick haul on what I ended up getting today from the thrift. We're gonna do it with Mom. So you guys are gonna be, Mom's gonna see it at the same time you guys see what I got. Mom's over there in the kitchen though, but this is the first thing I have here. This is just a Converse John Varvatos dust bag. This is probably for like the shoes, obvi, but can never go wrong with a good dust bag because you can use these to cover up your thrifted bags when you are not using them. Plus, you know, thrifted bags normally don't come with dust bags, so if you find one, pick it up because they're just great for storing your bags. Then the next thing that I got is I did get this berry, that's a good color name for it, right? Berry colored magenta, Burberry colored berry. Mom, I can't talk anymore. Burberry berry colored Coach tote. This is a large one, has a cute little turn lock right here in the front, and then it's like a pocket. Fantastic. It's a really nice large size as well, and I really like the color. This is a great everyday tote, just needs a little bit of cleaning and conditioning, and I think it's gonna be good to go. So there's that, and there's inside has a zipper pocket and then 2 open pockets. Look at this one. Do you like the color of this?
I like.
Alright, it's just like a nice, easy tote.
That's a nice red bag.
Right? And then, look at this. I got this Versace polo shirt. Ooh la la. And I've been waiting for it to go on sale. So this one is $75, but I got it for 75% off. So it was less than $20. And it's in really good condition too. Huh? I think it's gonna fit me. If it doesn't fit me, I'll just give it to John.
Or Dad.
Or Dad. Oh, Dad can wear it. Do you think he'll wear it? He doesn't really like, Dad doesn't like things with logos on it, so I don't know. I don't know if he'll wear it. He might. It has Medusa. He likes Greek and Roman things. So maybe he'll wear it. Okay, this is my most exciting find of the day. Sorry it doesn't fit you, Mom, because I know you're going to like it. And they are the Alexander McQueen shoes. So they're beautiful. They are in this red snake skin. And then of course we have our giant gold skulls with the diamond eyes and teeth, or the ruby eyes and teeth.
Missing.
Yeah, you do have. Mom has a bag. Yeah, that's right. We got it from Last Chance. So we went to Last Chance in Arizona back when my sister used to live there, and we found this beautiful Alexander. You should use that bag again.
I know. What is it?
She found this beautiful Alexander McQueen bag. Well, did I find it? I found it, and I showed it to you. And it's this beautiful Alexander McQueen crossbody satchel. It was missing the skull. The skull looks exactly like this, and it was missing. Unfortunately, it was a bummer. But the bag is still beautiful. You can just put. It doesn't really. You don't need the charm, but. These shoes are a size 36. So they're like a size 5.5. Huh? 6.5. So they're beautiful though. And they're in pretty good condition.
I want to try them.
Like they don't have very much wear at all. And they were $60, but they're worth like so much more than that. So very excited. And that's gonna end today's video. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me today. Mom and I are gonna eat our shophow, and we'll see you guys on the next video tomorrow, bright and early at 7 a.m. Don't forget to check out the shop too. It's updated with a ton of stuff. Link is down below in the description box. I'll see you guys on the next video. All right, bye.